Either you do not have money right now, or you do not want to take a risk by investing in a lot of tools right away, but you do want to start a coaching business. So, here are a few tools I'm going to suggest that you can use and start right away. Let's go. So, I have divided this video lesson into four parts for you. First, we're going to talk about tools that you can use to build your personal brand. Then, we'll go into documentation, planning, and creation of content, then one to one coaching, and then online courses. Let's get to personal brand now. For personal brand, I'm going to talk about four things. First is your own website. You don't necessarily need a website, but if you want to have one website of your own where you can have a free lead magnet, get leads pouring in, and use an email marketing tool to nurture them, you can use website feature. Now, Canva has its own website feature. You check it out, and it's a very good tool. In fact, Canva is great for design, for videos, for a lot of other things. Now they also have an inbuilt chat GPT feature, okay, which is limited for a free version, but if you're on pro you will have 75 search attempts per month. So for website, I would suggest go to Canva and explore. If you like their templates, if you like the designs, go for Canva or explore Doric as well. I'm not going to give you options for too many tools so that you don't get confused, okay? Now, next is free lead magnet. Now, your lead magnet can be your PDF guide, can be your courses, can be anything. It can be your one to one free call. Okay. So, for PDF guide, you can either use Canva, Word, or Google Documents. You can create your guide on Word and Google Docs and convert it into PDF. Canva also has option to create a guide. Do check it out. No matter what business you start, you will need to do email marketing. That's the must in any business. Okay. So start getting in leads, have some free lead magnet, and use an email marketing tool. I strongly suggest ConvertKit. For the first 1,000 leads, you will not need to pay. It's a free version. You'll also get access to landing pages and forms. You can tag your leads and also send email broadcasts as well. Now let's go to social media management. Every platform now has an inbuilt facility to schedule the posts and videos. So use that inbuilt facility on each platform. I'm not suggesting an external tool to schedule your post right now. When you start off, use their independent facility on each platform and start posting and start scheduling your content. Now let's get to documenting, planning, and creating your content. For all kinds of documentation, for planning the content and for creating the content for my social media channels, especially, I use Notion because it is very user friendly, and do check it out. It's a great tool to use. For my courses, I use a mind map. If I want to structure my course, I always use a mind map like this. And this is Xmind that I'm using right now. It's very good. It has a free version, so go ahead and explore it as well. All right, so let's go to one to one coaching now. One to one coaching requires two things. One is to set an appointment with your prospect, and one is to host that meeting. For appointment setting, I suggest use Calendly. Its free version will help you set up unlimited one to one meetings, and it can integrate with your Google Calendar and also customize your booking link as well. And for meetings, I have two options for you. One is Google Meet. Their free version has 60 minutes free, and for Zoom meetings it's 40 minutes per call. Okay, so it's totally up to you which you want to go for. Now let's go to courses. Now for courses you will need to make videos. Now this also applies for social media management. To make video content, you can use Canva for all your video needs. Canva has screen recording option. You can edit your videos there. You can also access the huge library of visuals, music, graphics, and sound effects. And they have ready to use templates in the free account as well. Now, for LMS, that is Learning Management System, when you record your courses, edit them, you can upload these courses on either Thinkific or Teachable. Thinkific has one course limit in their free version, unlimited students, unlimited video hosting. But Teachable has one course limit, unlimited students, and 10 videos. To start with, if you want to host your course, to start with one course, I would suggest Thinkific because it has unlimited video hosting. You can actually add sections and videos, more content in your course as compared to Teachable. So do your due diligence. I would not say that only use the tools I am suggesting. Go ahead and explore the other tools as well. I do hope now that you know there are these free tools you can use, I do not see why you should not be launching your coaching business. So go ahead and do it. And if you have any questions, type in the comments below for me.